Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Talking eBay. So I had a couple of questions on the chat in the description about how to measure tubes when you're shipping for eBay. So let's just go over the box one more time. When you're shipping, make sure you have the dimensions correct when you're shipping packages, especially when you're shipping through eBay or even the post office, because if you're not, they can charge you back, especially through eBay. So when you do your measurements, always go across the box. You want to do, this is 8 inches. I always go an inch over. So I would go 9 inches for this. So just always go over a little bit. It shouldn't affect the price really whatsoever, because usually if it's in a box, it's by weight and dimension kind of calculation. So let's measure this box. It says 8, but I would go 9. This is the width and the height. I mean, the height is 4 1/4, so I would say that's 5, right? And then you want to go box this way here, the length of the box here, which is 6 inches, and I would go 7 inches. So that's how I would do this measurement. I would go length, width, and height. So length, width, and height. Okay, remember that. Length, width, and the height of the box. So those are the 3 major dimensions when you're doing that. But someone asked me in the questions, what about tubes, shipping tubes? So here's a shipping tube here. This is a tube that we use sometimes to ship products, and it's a round tube. So how do you do this one? Someone asked the question. So again, you want to measure the length of the tube. Okay, same thing, same idea. So this says it's almost 11 inches. So this is 11, so I would go 12 inches just in case, just always in case. 11 inch, so do 12 inches, okay? Because it's round, people get a little confused. You just go to, so you really just want to do this times twice. So this is times twice. So 3 inches across, so do 4 inches and then 4 inches. So length, width, and height. Okay, see that? So this is the length. This is the width of the tube. This is the height of the tube. So people get a little confused because it's round, but there's really no confusion whatsoever. It's length, width, and height always. So let's measure it one more time. So this is 11. I would go 12. That's the length. The width is this way. There's the width. All right, so 3 will go 4, and the height is going to be the exact same thing because it's round. 3, 4, 4. So I would do the exact same thing. So it would be 12, 4, 4. That's how I would do this one. Exactly. So that's how you do it. That's want to make a quick follow-up video for that, because people always ask, how do you measure tubes? And that's how you do it. And if you have a long one, exact same thing. It really doesn't change. You just have to measure the length of the tube. This is 23.5. So 24 is okay if you have a ½ inch to play with. 24 inches. And then you have the, like I said, the width. So the width of this one is 3 against 4. The height is 3. And also 4. So same exact thing. It doesn't matter what kind of tube you have. So that's how you measure tubes. Length, width, and height. Same thing has not changed with boxes, tubes, pretty much anything that you ship, especially with eBay. Because what happens is, if it's not correct, they will charge you back, and they're gonna charge you back the retail price. Remember that. So you're getting you're getting a discount price when you're shipping through eBay. But if they charge you back, it's kind of a bummer. They charge you back the retail price. So say this tube was like $5 through eBay, and the retail is $8. They're going to charge you back $8. Okay, so now you're going to get a charge back for $8. You already paid $5. That means you paid $3 more because you didn't measure it correctly. So measure, measure, measure. So I hope I answered that question. I know someone had a question in the last video I made about measuring boxes, and I just wanted to clarify that. So hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Talking eBay. So this is a tutorial to help you learn about all stuff with eBay. So any questions you have, leave down, give me a question, and I will be glad to answer them and make a video to help answer those questions. That's what we're going to do here. You give me the questions. I'll do my best to give you the answers. I have almost 25 years with selling online, especially with eBay, 25 years with eBay. So I have a lot of experience, and we have a lot of things that we do with eBay. So hopefully I can help you, and maybe I can answer some of your questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Helps a lot to me, guys. It helps the algorithm. Leave some questions down below. Like the video, pushes it out to everybody else in the eBay community so I can help them. We all help each other, and that's how it works. All right, guys, appreciate it. And check out all the other eBay videos on here. I think you'll find them enjoyed. Thanks for watching.